Welcome to our lesson on writing user stories. User stories are essential for capturing requirements in Agile projects. Let's explore how to craft effective user stories for your team. A user story is a simple description of a feature from the user's perspective. It typically follows the format as a user, I want goal. This helps teams focus on user needs. This quote emphasizes the central role of user stories in Agile development. Remember, they guide your team toward delivering value to users. User stories improve communication within the team and clarify requirements. They also help prioritize features based on user needs, ensuring valuable features are developed first. When writing user stories, clarity is crucial. Avoid jargon and ensure the story is understandable. Also, include acceptance criteria to define what success looks like. Let's look at some real-world examples of user stories. These examples will illustrate how to apply the concepts we've discussed so far. Here's an example user story for an e-commerce platform. As a customer, I want to view my order history so I can track my purchases. Acceptance criteria ensure clarity. Here's another example for a social media app. As a user, I want to receive notifications for messages to stay engaged. Acceptance criteria ensure notifications are timely. It's important to avoid common mistakes when writing user stories. Vagueness can lead to misunderstandings, while ignoring acceptance criteria can result in incomplete features. Involve your team in writing user stories to foster collaboration. Regular reviews help ensure that user stories remain relevant and accurately reflect user needs. User story mapping is a technique that helps visualize the user journey. It aids in understanding feature relationships and assists in prioritizing features based on user value. Using visual tools can enhance collaboration among team members. These tools can help in creating and managing user stories effectively. Popular tools for managing user stories include Jira and Trello. Jira is widely used for tracking Agile projects, while Trello offers a flexible approach to visual project management. Using user story templates can streamline the writing process by providing a consistent structure. However, it's important to customize templates to fit your team's specific needs. Regular reviews of user stories are essential to ensure they remain relevant. Establishing a feedback loop allows for continuous improvement, enhancing the quality of your user stories. This quote highlights the importance of good user stories in achieving project success. Keep this in mind as you develop your user stories. In conclusion, writing effective user stories is crucial for Agile project success. Remember to keep the user in focus and continuously improve your stories. As we wrap up, practice writing user stories for your projects. Engage your team in the process, as collaboration enhances the quality of your user stories. For further reading, consider User Story Mapping by Jeff Patton for valuable insights. Additionally, look for online courses on Agile methodologies to deepen your understanding. Join Agile forums to share your experiences and learn from others. Attending Agile meetups can help you network and exchange ideas, building your professional network. Soliciting feedback on your user stories can lead to better outcomes. Remember to iterate on your stories based on this feedback, as continuous improvement is key. In closing, remember that effective user stories are vital for Agile success. They guide development and ensure user satisfaction. So keep learning and refining your skills. Thank you for participating in this lesson on writing user stories. We hope you feel empowered to apply these concepts in your Agile projects. In our next module, we will explore building and managing a product backlog. Stay tuned for more insights into Agile project management.